Are you in love with DaVinci Resolve and you have a problem that you can't solve? Are you in love with Adobe Premiere Pro that makes you feel that you can also be a pro? Are you in love with Adobe Photoshop that makes you feel as to go to shopping with your mama? Are you in love with Adobe After Effects that makes you feel not to let go with the After Effect? Are you in love with FL Studio that makes you feel as to build a studio for your music career? Are you in love with Cubase that makes you base in Abuja? Are you in love with behind the scenes that makes you go back to the scenes? Do you like videographies that makes you feel like one day you can design your own graphics? Do you love photography that your mind can't stop going back to the 21st centuries? Do you want to get knowledge in all? Then this channel is for you. Just click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and stay tuned to this channel. For the F Company team will be giving you thousands of tutorials based on the softwares. Just for you, just for Africa, just for the world.